Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by closing Roblox completely. Open Task Manager and end any Roblox player beta. EXE tasks. Once done, set Windows display scaling to 100% and confirm your monitor is at native resolution. This removes scaling conflicts. Next, update your graphics driver to the latest release from the manufacturer. This fixes full-screen handshake issues. Restart your PC if the driver installer asks. These steps prepare the system so the player can enter true full screen without conflicting DPI or driver problems. Now configure the Roblox executable. Right-click Roblox Player Beta. EXE, choose Properties, then Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator. Also tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Apply and close. If you use the browser version, launch the game from Roblox. COM and press F11 to toggle browser full screen. This is different from the app mode. Make sure in-game graphics mode is set to Auto or Direct 3D11, because once the player runs elevated and without optimizations, true full screen and correct display mode can engage reliably. Finish by launching a game and opening Roblox settings. Set graphics mode to Direct 3D11 and switch the screen mode to full screen. If the screen still shows borders, disable HDR or night light temporarily and test again. Some color features interfere with exclusive full screen. If the game fails to enter full screen after these changes, reverse compatibility settings, then uninstall and reinstall Roblox to clear corrupted player files. One key troubleshooting tip. Try a different display or HDMI/DP cable to rule out monitor handshake faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.